Former President Donald Trump's immunity case is now being heard by the U.S. Supreme Court.
Yeah, another historic case. The justice is hearing arguments on whether the former president can be prosecuted over his alleged efforts to undo his 2020 election loss to Joe Biden. Trump is charged with 4 counts, but he claims presidential rights protect him from prosecution. ABC's Christian Cordero has the breaking details.
Today, the U.S. Supreme Court is taking up a case with potential impact on former President Donald Trump's legal fate. The question, is a president immune from criminal prosecution for any alleged official acts? Trump argues the president does have absolute immunity, saying he cannot function if he's prosecuted for official acts.
A president has to have immunity. If you don't have immunity, you just have a ceremonial president.
Trump is the first American president to face criminal charges. In the election interference case, he faces a federal trial on 4 felony counts, including conspiracy to defraud the U.S. and obstruction of an official proceeding for his alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election. 2 courts so far have rejected the former president's immunity arguments. One warned this claim would put the president above the law.
Such presidential immunity has no foundation in the Constitution. The framers knew too well the dangers of a king who could do no wrong.
Trump has pleaded not guilty. In arguing before the Supreme Court, his legal team will try to void the case entirely.
What's official and what's private, the official stuff has to be expunged completely from the indictment before the case can go forward.
Well, if you expunge the official part from the indictment, how do you, that's like a one-legged stool, right? Giving somebody money isn't bribery unless you get something in exchange.
And just last night in Arizona, Trump became unindicted co-conspirator number 1 in an election fraud case that also names his former White House chief of staff and members of his legal team. Trump also became an unindicted co-conspirator in a similar Michigan case yesterday. Christian Cordero, ABC News at the Supreme Court.